Hey guys, what's up? It's Takoa from TK Cubes, and today I'll be teaching you the horizontal edge swap. So the horizontal edge swap looks like this. This blue edge in the front here needs to swap with this green edge in the back. This orange edge on the left here needs to swap with this red edge on the right. So now that we've covered what it looks like, I will tell you the algorithm. So, face the green center towards you and do this sequence of moves to solve the cube. M2, U, M2, U2, M2, U, M2, and that will solve the cube. So if you miss some things I said, I will do the algorithm again. So again, the horizontal edge swap looks like this. This blue edge here in the front needs to swap with this green edge here in the back. And this orange edge here on the left-hand side needs to swap with this red edge here on the right. So now that you know what it looks like, here's the algorithm. M2, U, M2, U2, M2, U, M2. So, I hope this video was helpful to you. And please smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.